Hello all, welcome to the video of DocuSign eSignature Implementation Consultant Accreditation Program. My name is Lohita and this video will be containing the demonstration of all the 4 steps of the DocuSign which would be following by us, which includes signing, acting, managing and preparation part. So now let us log in into the DocuSign account and move to the further process. This is the home page of DocuSign eSignature. Here we can view home page, manage templates, reports and settings. We would be navigating one on one according to the requirement we have. So firstly now I will be going to the templates part. Here I can view my templates which are created by me. I can view all the templates which are created by other people in all templates as well. So there is a use button here. With one click I can use the template which is created previously. So it will save me the time rather than doing from the scratch. I can go on one click and just use. So in preparation phase we will be seeing how I have prepared by applying some validations and all. So for now let us use this already created template from here. I need to enter applicant details, co-applicant details, and if you observe CEA and legal team were grayed out. These both were grayed out so that whoever using the sender cannot edit this. This is because of the advanced options which are disabled by me. I have given them enabled so that they cannot change. I will be entering now the applicant details, and the authentication method for them for applicant is SMS method and for co-applicant is access code method. So I have entered this. If I want to have any advanced edit also, I can do that from here, from advanced options. I can, even if I want to add anything document like that, I can even do. So I'm okay for now. I'll just move on. So let us just send. Here you can see successfully sent. I should be receiving mail. This is applicant's mail and this is co-applicant's mail. I have logged in. So let me refresh. Yes, I got the message. Email. Okay, here I am getting the brand. It is showing Close Enough Accounting CEA brand, and even in the name I can see my name, I mean the applicant name. Next, in body of the email also the recipient name is showing. That means the accountant name is showing. Let us click on review documents. Sorry, this is the mail I need to open. This is 0 minute ago email. So that is the reason it is asking me verification method. I will click on send SMS. So I got verification OTP 402137. Okay, I'll confirm the code. I'll agree and continue. So firstly let us go to the phone number. If I want to click on random, it is giving me a warning message that phone number must be in this format only. This is because of the validation we have applied. So I will enter in the same format. When I'm writing here, it is getting auto populated in the next form also, so there is no need of re-entering because of the settings made for the auto population. How we have achieved that also will be seen in the preparation part. So I'll just enter the random mailing address. Then if I'm clicking here, that means my mailing address and billing address is same, so there is no need to re-enter again and again. So I just want to simply click this option, and I'll enter SSN. This is also showing the required format is this only, so this is also because of the validation applied. If not, that won't be accepting. And this is turning into asterisks as soon as I the cursor is moved out and clicked onto the next field, it is getting hidden. But if you see in the next form, it is auto populating, but it is not hiding. This is also because of the validation applied. And I'll quickly enter the income. And for the signing part, here you can change the style if you want. If you don't want to go with the style displayed there, you can customize your style here, or even you can draw here, or either you can upload as well. So I'm okay with this, and I will adopt this. Now entering here is done. If you come down, there should be two forms attached. So I'll click the two required things. I will upload by browsing. It's done. Upload another file. That is also done. And if you see here, asset description, I'm entering some random value, so let's not make too complicated, so that we can observe the change here. I will see the next works. See, we can observe the change here. It is getting auto calculated. So this is of the formula we customized. That is the reason this functionality is happening automatic. So if you see, this is required field, but these are not. The rest are optional. This is also one of the requirement of the project. So that is why I made one thing as required and rest all is optional. My signature is also needed here. I will complete that. Here at the bottom, I can view the documents I have applied. So the attachment which I have uploaded, I can review here. If something went wrong, I can go back and re-upload that. So yes, I think I'm good to go. I'll click on finish. Okay, I have finished the signing part of applicant. Once let's go back to the DocuSign account and let us go to the manage part. This is the thing I have sent. Yeah, it's a minute ago. So I'll click on this. Let us monitor the functionality of the envelope, the movement of the envelope, how it is moving. The recipient's part is done, so it's completed. The access code is 2233 for co-applicant. Let us go to the email of co-applicant. Hopefully I should be receiving. Yes, I received that. Here also there is a logo and the co-applicant's name here customized in the title, then in the body of the email as well. So I'll click on review documents. See, it is asking me the access code. I'll click the access code quickly and validate. This will be pre-given to the co-applicant who is going to sign. Click on I agree and continue. If you see, the co-applicant cannot view the SSN and annual income entered by the applicant, but yeah, remaining co-applicants can see. That's not so confidential. The details which are confidential was hidden from the co-applicant, If co-applicant is signing first and applicant is signing second, that is also not a big deal. Either co-applicant, whatever the information entered by him cannot be viewed by the applicant as well, so it is basically hidden from both. But the CA assessor can view all the required details entered by them. So I'll here also the same validations were applied. It will warn us if we are not entering in the required format. So I will be doing that quickly. I have entered phone number here. If you see, this will be auto populating in the next form. If you observe, this is a identification and asset statement of co-applicant. So it is getting auto populated just as the applicant. Here I will be entering the SSN. So it is showing the required format is particularly this only. Until it meet the requirement, it will show the error. So annual income, just as in the case of applicant, in co-applicant case also, this will be hidden as soon as I navigate from that particular text box. My sign is needed here. So this time I'm going to draw some random. Even if I want to customize my initial, I can even do. So that's enough. And I'll adopt. And here also I need to click on two required fields. I will quickly upload the documents, dummy files. That's cool. Here also the same as in the case of applicant. Here also we need to enter, and this is the required one. These are all optional. So I'll quickly enter the details. Yes, it will also auto calculate because of the formula. So now let us check, what if we don't enter some one of the required fields? What happens? If we don't enter the optional one, that doesn't matter, that doesn't affect any process. So if I do not enter the required fields and try to click on finish, it will give me the warning. It will not allow me to move forward with the finishing process. It will say me to fill in this. So if the user is trying to knowingly or unknowingly they are forgetting something, the system won't allow them to move with the further process. It will strictly warn. So now I'm good enough with the fillings. I'll click on finish. No thanks. Yes, I have finished the signing part of co-applicant as well. Once let's get back to the DocuSign account, and previously only applicant was done. Let me quickly refresh the page. See, here you can view the co-applicant part was also done. So it's in the state of completed. For CA assistant, I have used this mail. I'll click onto this mail again. I got the mail. Here again it is showing the applicant name as well as the co-applicant name automatically, and here the recipient name of the CEA assistant. there is no authentication applied for the CEA assessor, so that is the reason it is not asking for any validations or authentication methods. So he just need to view all the details entered by the applicant as well as co-applicant. And so this is the one I just received now. Yes, this is the mail. My signature is needed here. I mean the CEA assessor signature. I'll this time change the style. Let this be. Okay. Adopt and sign. Here initials are required. After checking this, I need to fill in my initials as well. So at the bottom I can view the documents or the attachments uploaded by the applicant as well as the co-applicant. Now I will click on finish. No thanks. Yes. Let us go back to the DocuSign account and refresh the page. In manage, we can see the flow of the envelope where or the template where it is moving, who have signed. We can monitor the process actually what happening from the admin side. So yes, here we can have the date and the time of the signature, and even you can see the location where they have signed. So if you see, the legal team must be receiving a copy. I have used my psych mail for receiving a copy, so that is why it is showing me all the attachments and the things. I can view the completed documents here. This is the complete document signed by applicant, co-applicant and CEA assessor. Okay. So if we quickly move to the drive part, here without my involvement of downloading physically, it has been auto downloaded. The certification of completion is being auto downloaded, and the files has been also auto downloaded. See, it's just now. So I'll click. Here I can view the detailed information that how many signatures were made, how many initials were made, what is the status, when they received it, when they have opened. I can have a track of with the records. I can monitor everything. So yes, this is the certificate which is uploaded in OneDrive automatically without my involvement. That was saved. This is also because of the setting we have made. We will be seeing the settings very soon, how I have made all this functions automated. If it is not happening it directly, we can also move from here as well. Whatever the folders here it is showing, you can just save that and you can move that as well. But now let's just go to settings and see. In if you observe, in while I'm sending mail or while I'm receiving any mail, it is showing me the brand and the recipient name here in title as well as in body. How that is happening? These are the settings part. I can go to brands. CA is a default brand I have made, and if you want multiple brands you can add brand, or even if you want to upload you can upload it from here. This is the signing part. In sending part, you can even customize your theme according to your requirement. I will click on edit. So it will also suggest you the color actions, like how it is having, but basically I like this, and I'll be going. If I made any change, see, now I will change the background color of this to blue. It will show you the immediate change here. You can preview in manage how it is showing, and in email how it is showing. You can view from here within fraction of seconds. So after updating, you can just click on apply brand. You can make any changes like this. So see, immediately your changes is being updated here as well. So this is the brand part. And if you go to signing settings, you can allow according to your requirement. If you want to allow the recipient to edit, if you want to allow the recipient to download or just only view, you can make all the changes from here. If they want to have a mobile friendly view, you can do that. No, if you just want them to view in laptop only or their PCs, you can restrict from doing that. You can make any kind of changes according to your requirement. So I have allowed them. And even the signatures, how it should be looking, it should be having any frame like this, or just having a simple signature without any frame. You can do that. When you are downloading, it must be in PDF, or you should be having any link. That also can be achieved from here. Now let's go to the sending settings. The same here. They just need to sign after viewing. It's needed unless the sender can view without even signing. So that is the setting I have made. uh, you can allow the recipients to download the documents. You can enable them to update. You can allow them to edit. And here see, all the senders access documents, these sources in OneDrive. This is the thing I have chosen uh, in the sending settings. Now let us go to the connection part, how I have connected to the OneDrive. So I have clicked on add configuration. After clicking on add configuration, the folder which I created in this will be shown here when I browse. So this is an active connection, name is CEA Capstone. And see, the data which I have included is both certificate of completion and envelope voided reason. So that is the reason I am getting automatically the downloaded certificate in OneDrive, because of this enabling thing. And I have browsed and selected this folder because the certificates which are getting downloaded automatically must be in this folder. That is the reason. If you see, the certificate will be in CEA Capstone folder. Then next, I have associated users. I have clicked all users. Then if you are making any changes, just click save configuration. If you are making any changes, then the changes which have been done will be successfully saved. So let us go to the preparation part now. How I have prepared this and made all the required fields. Till now we just clicked on use. On one click we have used the ready-made template, but how we have prepared, let us see from here. As soon as you enter, you need to enter the title of the template and the description. If you want to upload any further documents, you can do that from here, upload and browse from your PC as well. Then next, there will be a signing order. If you see, there is a signing order of applicant and co-applicant at once. So this is a signing hierarchy, we can see from here. If we change, it will be immediately showing here the effect. So for a role is applicant, and I allowed them to enter the details of applicant here. And if you see, if you observe in the email, there was an authentication method of SMS. So I have customized from here. Click on customize. You can have an access code, or I'd add any identity verification. In identity verification also, if we have I have phone number. In that there are two. There is a phone call and SMS as well. You can add private message from here. Then you can select the action what applicant should be done. He needs to sign, or you want to make them as a in-person signer, or they just need to receive a copy. If you observe, the legal team is just received a copy. There was no action to perform. And here you can view all the settings. Even you can allow them to edit or update recipients, so that all options are available here. You can customize according to the need. So for co-applicant, I have given the access code. That is the setting I have made here. And there are advanced options. If you observe, if you remember, there the CA credit assessor part and the legal part was grayed out. We were unable to edit that because of the settings, because of the advanced settings made. So I choose this option. This were enabled, so it won't allow the senders to edit the recipient's details. We can even customize messages. In our emails, we were getting customized messages of applicant name when the mail is went for applicant, and the co-applicant name when the mail went for co-applicant. And when CA assessor received the mail of the completed documents of both applicant and the co-applicant, the names of co-applicant and applicant were displaying there. And in the body of the email, we can also view the name of the recipient respectively. So that is because of the things made here. In the email subject, I have added applicant name, so it would be displaying applicant name, and here the recipient name, it would be displaying the applicant name as well. In the body, in this is to co-applicant, it will be showing co-applicant details. So yes, this is the thing we have done. And you can have some advanced options also. There is no need to send at regular intervals for the applicant and the co-applicant. If you want to remind them, you can automate that process with the help of this option called in reminders. So if I want, I can send automatic reminders. So before one day, I will be sending reminder, and the total, if the duration is for 60 days, if it is for 60 days, for every 2 days the remainder must be sent to them to sign. And before completion of the 60 days, like a week before, I want to warn them that your signing part is going to expire. So yes, I can do that from here. Even if I want to have more security, I can create and verify password. And if you can see the branding, it is showing whatever we have applied. And if we want some mobile friendly viewing, we can allow that from here. And if you want template modification, if you want to allow them, or if you don't want to allow them, you can do that from here. See, I just click this. They cannot remove recipients, but they can edit the brand. This is because I'm not clicking on this. So, and I'm pretty good with my advanced options I have clicked. Then move to the next part. In the next, you can see the required fields whatever we have done. This is joint credit application. which would be first viewed by applicant or co-applicant. So here there will be full name and phone number. According to the requirement, we will be having a validation we have applied. So in validation, I have customized for the regex pattern. I have used for the required format, and email also it should be in the it will be showing, and the mailing address. If the mailing address and billing address are same, then this box will be disappeared. So this is made by the conditional logic. This is the conditional logic, so that is the reason. And if you go to the ssn, that was also showing it must be in the same format, so the validation applied is ssn. And the annual income, if you observe, the ssn and annual income were hidden with asterisks as soon as we navigate that from that particular text box. So this is because in formatting I have enabled this option. They should be hidden with asterisks, so that is the reason. Signature, you can just drag and drop the fields. If you don't want, you can just swipe it to the left, as simple as that. And the same applied for co-applicant as well. If you are wondering about the colors, you can choose that from here. When you are making co-applicants, you can do that. When you are doing CA assister part, you can change. And if it is applicants, then you can change directly from here. And if you observe, in this we are having only two things to be selected, so that is because of the validation applied. So here we can have select at least, select at most, or select exactly, or select any range. So I have clicked on select exactly, so I need just two. I have given the numbering, that is 2. And this I have made it as a required field, and remaining are optional. I didn't enable this, that is the reason these are gray in color and this became the required field. And if you observe, this were auto calculated in the formula part, and it is giving us the total count. So let us check. So in this, let us check for the formula what we have made. So here there is an option of edit formula. So here C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5, because the name of this is, the data label of this box is C1 sorry, and for this is C2, for this is C3, C4 and C5. When I am clicking on this, here the formula is C1 plus C2 plus C3 and so on. So that is the reason whatever the values we are entering, it is auto summing that and giving us the total result. Yes, these are the fields, customized fields which I have applied in this way. And when we are good enough, we can also have a recipient preview, that who will be viewing what. In desktop view how it will be, and in phone view how it will be, or in tab view how it would be looking. So from here you can select what is the what can be the preview of applicant, or if you want to check for co-applicant you can do, if you want to check for CA asset also you can do. So for applicant, it is showing me this is the required things he need to fill, and here all the needed. So once let us check the CA assister part. So for CA assister it would be showing like this. If you want to see the mobile friendly view, as I have enabled that, it can be viewed like this also. So yes, this is a mobile friendly view. So this is the way how I can preview the documents before sending to them. Now let us check the document visibility from here. So yes, this is the document visibility. From here I can view who can see this application and this one. What applicant can see is these two. What co-applicant can see is these two forms, and for CA assessor and legal it's all visible. So basically we got success in hiding this both forms from each other. This is the view, document visibility view, and this is how I have made this template. Now if I go to the reports part, here you can have an overview. This will monitor all overall activity, how many mails you have sent, delivered, completed, corrected, declined, or even voided. You can have the completion rate here. If you want the graphs to be viewed of 12 months, you can do that. You can see the changes, immediate changes. And if you want to view monthly, you can do that, it will show you. So even you can customize and you can use that, you can view that from here. So I guess we have covered whatever the required parts. We have gone through all the 4 stages: the signing part, preparing part, acting part, as well as the managing part we have seen. So yes, this is a complete demonstration of DocuSign eSignature CEA Capstone project. Thank you.